Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram. We detected an unusual login attempt. To know how to fix Instagram, we detected an unusual login attempt. You should just go here to settings. As you see, we will click like this. After that, in this page, you will go to apps here, as you see like this. And when you will see this list, you will go down to Instagram here. After that, in this page, you will go to click force stop here. And when you will click for stop, you will go to storage and you will click here like this. After that, when you will find this page, you will go to click clear data. And after that, you will click clear cache, and then you will click clear data as you see, and after that you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.